If you love traveling and adventure, then you're gonna love this channel. Make sure to check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Woo! Look, there's a white oak. I have a sign over there. And then there's a witch hazel. This has a bunch of woodpecker holes in it. This is the junction. Ignore all these signs and just go straight up the hill. No pain, no game. There's some ice. There's a little bit of ice on the trail. headed back down the mountain. It was a pretty short stay since it was cold out. It's probably about 40 or 50. Well, it's probably less than that. This way is much easier so far, and there was less ice and less switchbacks so far. So we'll see how this goes, and I will let you know which way you should go up. Little downhill section right here. Some rocks, not too bad. I don't see any ice. Coming up uphill there was ice, so we had to go really slow, and yeah, so make sure you bring micro spikes if there's any chance of having some ice on the trail. This is a boulder field through here, so be careful. Coming up on a sign, and we're going down another switchback. Greenwood Furnace. 1 mile. Stone Valley Vista is where we went. Now we're going back to the parking lot where the visitor center was at. Don't know what this is, but it's here with a lockbox on it. Interesting. Make sure you follow orange. The blazes were yellow and orange. But this is definitely a nicer way to come down here, so I would climb up this way on the orange trail and go back down on the orange trail because it's just way easier. Going down the mountain. Nice trail, and look at that view. Blue skies, nice blue skies today. With the ice and everything, it took about 4 hours to hike this. So make sure you plan accordingly and know what your hiking level is. This was described as moderate, but I would say this orange trail is moderate. And that yellow trail definitely is not moderate, it's difficult. A woodpecker did this. Look at the mushrooms. That's so cool. Well, we're walking along next to a fence now. And I don't know what's in there, but it looks like some grass. And then there's also a church over here. There's the church. Isn't it pretty? An old church. This is called the Greenwood Furnace Church, 1867. Cool little church. And here we are. This is the visitor center right here. Located behind it. Right here is where we parked. And then went across the street over this direction.